Do rich men like plastic surgery on women? What do they think about it in general? I get this question quite a lot from the students in my online finishing school. I've actually over the years been quite curious myself, so I have researched this topic numerous amounts of times whenever I've had any candid conversations with rich men that I've met throughout the years. This is not at all a scientific study. This is just my own experience. Men are in general very contradictive. I want to explain this a little bit first. You see, women, we know our hormones. We are run by very strong hormones that can sometimes make us go a little bit crazy. But don't forget that men have their own set of hormones. And in their set of hormones, you have a very strong army of sexual hormones that can really take them onto a direction where they didn't plan on going. That's what I mean, men can be very contradictive. So they might say that they don't like type B woman, they only like type A woman, yet you will see them all the time with the type B woman. When it comes to long-term mating and when it comes to settling down, usually they end up going for their type A woman instead of the type B that maybe catches their interest and is maybe over the top, flamboyant. So keep this in mind, that whatever men may say about plastic surgery might not mean that this is exactly how they're going to build their actions around it. Because the result of my study is this. Yes, men tend to have certain issues with plastic surgery, and I'm really going to explain them what it is. There are three things rich men like to talk about when it comes to plastic surgery. Number one, they say they prefer natural breast over implants, unless the woman does not have any breast at all. Number two, they say they don't like women who have duck lips. Number three, they say generally they don't like plastic surgery on women. They want women to be natural. Another thing we need to think about when it comes to men is that they are not experts when it comes to what's plastic surgery, how beauty is maintained, how you achieve beauty, how kind of the technical aspect of things work. When men talk about plastic surgery, they usually think about all the horror stories that they've seen and come across because, to be quite fair, there are quite a lot of them out these days. There's a lot of women who have done far too much unsuitable things and, to be honest, ruined their appearance completely. So when men complain about plastic surgery, that's usually what they're referring to. If you do, for instance, lips or Botox or fillers or surgery in any way and the results are very natural, you look like a normal person, you don't look like you have surgery, then men never think about the fact that you have surgery and they would never have guessed. When you do anything to your appearance, but you do it with natural looking results, with results where the person does not even know that you have done something. You might have something a little tiny bit, but it's barely visible, and that's how you should keep it if you want to have it approved by men. To be quite honest, when you have results that are very subtle, men don't even know that you have done surgery. My boyfriend didn't know that I had no surgery, and I'm sure that if I would have asked him what he thinks about rhinoplasty, he would have probably said, I don't like it, because he thinks about Michael Jackson. Who knows? The point of the story is, if something is good, you can do whatever you want with yourself, as long as you don't ruin your appearance. And you don't overdo it as well. I hope this answers your question. I will see you in the next video.